Why do scientists study space? Humans have been interested in space since ancient times because they are curious beings who always want to explore the unknown and new worlds. We, humans, have a desire to know everything, and to challenge what we do not know. This curiosity and desire to search and discover is what contributed to the superiority of the human race over other living creatures. Why do scientists study space? Space exploration helps us answer many questions that have been on our minds from ancient times. These questions are related to our location in this vast universe and the history of the origin of planet Earth and life on it. In addition, thanks to space exploration, we were able to develop many advanced technologies that are now used in other fields. Like satellites that help us communicate, monitor the weather, and determine locations and destinations. Develop advanced technologies. When scientists started the space exploration project, they faced a wide range of challenges. They did not have any systems or capabilities that would enable them to reach space or conquer the Moon and planets close to Earth. They worked with each other for several years, and scientists from several countries cooperated with each other, including countries that were in a state of hostility, such as the Soviet Union and the United States of America. This cooperation contributed to uniting efforts and accelerating the development process, and thus humans were able, during a record period, to reach Earth's orbit, then land on the Moon, and then send spacecraft to nearby planets and to far space. Not only that, humans established the International Space Station, this station where scientists and astronauts stay for a long time working on scientific experiments and research that can serve humanity. It is scheduled to send manned space missions to the planet Mars soon. International Space Station. The International Space Station is a scientific laboratory in which researches related to humans, life and chemicals in space are conducted, and the impact of survival in zero-gravity conditions on human astronauts, animals and plants is evaluated. This will help improve transportation to space and learn new ways to improve the health of astronauts. Work on the International Space Station is not limited to space, but a lot of research has been done in fields as diverse as biochemistry in order to improve medicine and medicine. Moon exploration. The man was able to land on the Moon decades ago. At that time, the desire was just a challenge to our capabilities and technologies that we developed. But now scientists want to benefit from the Moon more, as some believe that the Moon contains minerals and materials that we humans can benefit from. These materials it is very rare on the planet, and it enters the industry greatly. Therefore, it is expected that global space agencies such as NASA and others will send missions to explore the land of the Moon, and it is expected that eventually a human colony will be built in which humans live on the surface of the Moon. In addition, mining on the Moon may help us determine how it formed, and whether it was originally part of Earth separated from it, and can help us determine the conditions that contributed to the formation of life on Earth. Mars exploration. International space agencies, especially NASA, send unmanned missions to explore the planet Mars. The goal of these missions is to study the surface of Mars, which is similar in structure, size and location to Earth, and this planet may contain current life or perhaps there were living organisms living on it in the past. This question scientists want to answer. Also, many scientists are considering sending manned flights to Mars and perhaps establishing a colony on it, and in the future, perhaps we will be able to populate the entire planet Mars and make it habitable like Earth. This vision is being considered by many like the famous American billionaire Elon Musk. And who knows, maybe Mars in the future will be a haven for humans living far from Earth. Space observatories. Space observatories located on Earth in various places and in space, such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, help us discover the distant universe and observe galaxies, planets, asteroids and other objects in this universe. Through these observatories, scientists are looking for anything that can help us in understanding our location in the universe or determining where we are and how we formed and exist on planet Earth. And who knows, we may be able to discover other civilizations on planets far from us. In addition, astronomical observatories can help us see asteroids and comets that may collide with the planet and lead to major disasters, so that humans can prepare for the destruction of those asteroids or comets and avoid their dangers.